Good morning, friend. Exercise 4.1 represent the following situation in form of equation. Today topic is to form equation. Today's topic related with the equation. How we can make a equation? Because quadratic equation standard form is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So one statement is given and we have to make a equation. Then we can solve. Length of the plot is one more than twice of its breadth. So if I convert into equation, length of breadth is means is equal to length of the plot is means equal to 1 more than twice of its breadth. 1 more than twice of its breadth. So what I have to take? Let breadth is equal to x. If I will take breadth is equal to x, then length is equal to 1 plus 2x, or L is equal to 2x plus 1. Again I explain here area of rectangle. So area of rectangle formula, that is L multiplied by B. Area of rectangle formula L multiplied by B. But here relation between length that is L is means equal to twice of its breadth. So here relation is given L is equal to 1 plus 2B. We can take breadth as a x, the length is equal to 1 plus 2x. Now formula area is equal to L into B. So length is equal to 2x plus 1 and breadth is equal to x. So if I will open it, then 2x square plus x. What is area given in question? That is 528. Area is given as a 528. So I have to write here 528. So standard form is 2x square plus x minus 528 is equal to 0. 2x square plus x minus 528 is equal to 0. Now make a factor of it. So 528 we have to convert into 2. 4, 132, 2, again 2, again 2, 3, 11, and already 2 is here. So you have to make a factor, that is 11 3s are 33, 2 2s are 4 2s are 8 2s are 16, 2s are here, it is also 2. So 32. So 33 into 32, that is our factor. 2x square plus 33x minus 32x minus 528. And I have to make common x. So in bracket 2x plus 33. And minus 16 if I will take common outside. Then 2x plus 33. So x minus 16 and 2x plus 33. So my length, that is breadth, is 16 centimeter. So if breadth is equal to 16 centimeter, then length is equal to 16 2s are 32 plus 1. 33. So if I will multiply L with B, that is 16 multiplied by 33, I will get 100% 528. That is our answer. Again I explain properly because these are all the important sum and you must know how we can do this. So what is the first concept? Area is equal to, area is given, that is 528 centimeter square or meter square. Here it is meter square. Relation between breadth and length is given. So breadth as a x, then length is equal to 1 plus 2b. So L is equal to 1 plus 2x, breadth is equal to x. So L into B, area is equal to L into B. Area is equal to L into B. So length is 2x plus 1, breadth is x. So 2x square plus x is equal to 528. If I write in a standard form, 2x square plus x minus 528 is equal to 0. Now make a factor, I will also make a prime factor at here and then make a pair. So just in some time they ask that make only equation, then you can make only equation. But sometimes they ask that they find the solution of it, then you have to do it. So it is a solution of that we have complete anyhow. So now next question I want to explain. Next question is again it's a one type of equation is there, and we have to convert everything in a equation and then we have to solve it. How it is. So now next question is at here, product of two consecutive positive integer. Product means multiplication. So let first number be x, then second number is equal to x plus 1. First number is x, then second number is x plus 1. Product means multiplication. X plus 1 is equal to 306. Now x square plus x minus 306 is equal to 0. Now you have to make a factor of 306. So 1, 5, 3, again 3, 5, 1, again 3, 7. So you have to, again what I am planning, 3 into, so we have to make a plus 1. So how it is possible to get plus 1? 14 and 9. So question is here, just find the integers. Okay. Product of two consecutive positive integer. So x square plus x minus 306. 2 1s are 2, 5, 2, 3. Again here it is mistake. Here we have to write 2. At here. Okay, so wrong, it is also 3. So 3, 5s are 3, 1s are 3. Again here it is some mistake. 3, 17s are. So now 17, here it is 17. So 3, 3s are 9, 9, 2s are 18. So x square plus 18x minus 17x minus 306. So x we have to make common, x plus 18 minus 17 common, x plus 18. So x plus 18 and x minus 17. So x is equal to 17. So two numbers are 17 and 18. Again I explain properly. What is the question? The product of two consecutive positive integer. Product means multiplication. Consecutives matlab 306. So x in bracket x plus 1 is equal to 306. So x square, when I open the bracket, x square plus x minus 306, make a factor of it, you can get answer. So this is the second sum that we have completed it here. Actually it's a equation, but we have to understand, maybe possible they ask in the form of what should be. Okay, so two sum related with this, it is easy. Try to solve these two sum in homework. In next lecture, fourth lecture, I have explained it. Now one more sum related with the equation. So at least 4 sums I will explain to u. So now these are all the sum again. Third sum. Find the two number whose sum is 27. Find the two number whose sum is 77. So if I will take first number as x, then second number is equal to 27 minus x. Don't take x minus 27. Product means multiplication. X multiplied by 27 minus x. So if I will open it, 27x minus x square. Here it is given, product is given 182. So now we have to make a factor. So if we standard form I am writing, then x square minus 27x plus 182. Now we have to make a factor of 182. Make a factor of 182. So 291. So again it is there with the 13 7s are 91, 7 2s are 14 and 13. So two factors are there, x minus 14 and x minus 13. These are all the two number. If we sum, it is 27. If we product it, it is 182. So this is the third sum related equation, and we have to, it's a statement and we have to convert into a equation. One more sum, that is fourth sum. I am explaining again it is too much easy, so I am not repeat it now. Two consecutive positive integers. So if I will take first number x, then second number x plus 1. Now sum of square, so I have to make a square, and x plus 1 whole to square is equal to, I have to write 365. Now if I will open it, I will get answer x square plus again x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 365 is equal to 0. So 2x square plus 2x minus 364 is equal to 0. So if make common, x square plus x minus 182. X square plus 2x minus 182. Again 13 14s are. So x square plus 14x minus 13x minus 182. So if I will common x, then x plus 14 and minus 13 I will common, then x plus 14. So answer is x minus 13, that is 13, and x is equal to minus 14. But here positive integer is there, so I have to write x is equal to 13 and 14. So 13 and 14 are two positive integers. Again I repeat, what is the two term? That is first term x, second term x plus 1 because of positive integer. Now x whole to square because of square, sum of the square. So x whole to square plus x plus 1 whole to square is equal to 365. And we simplify, you will get again same x square plus x minus 182. And if we factor, then answer is 13 and minus 14. But positive integers are there. So 13 and next is 13 plus 1, that is 14. Now still now one sum is remain. Okay. See now fifth sum is there. In fifth sum, altitude of right angle triangle, altitude. So if I will draw one triangle at here. Now altitude of triangle is 7 less than base. If I will take base as x, then altitude is x minus 7, not a 7 minus x. Altitude of right angle is 7 less than base, so x minus 7. And hypotenuse is given as a 13. Again if we apply Pythagoras, here it is A, here it is B, here it is C. So answer, if I will apply Pythagoras, then C square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So 13 square is equal to x minus 7 whole to square plus x square. If I will open it, 169 x square minus 14x plus 49 plus x square. So x square plus x square, that is 2x square, minus 14x plus 49 minus 169. So 2x square minus 14x minus 120. 2 common. So x square minus 7x minus 60. So now factor of 60, that is 12 5s are. So x minus 12 and x plus 5. So base, x is a base. Here base is equal to x. So x, that is base. Base is equal to 12 centimeter, or we can say meter. Here it is centimeter. So 12 centimeter. So base is 12 centimeter. Then 12 minus 7, that is 5 centimeter. So these type of sum that you have to complete in your fair book. Now exercise 4.1 and 4.2 already we have completed. Now in next lecture we want to try how to complete method of completing the square. That we have to start in new lecture.